Hey guys, Wavytalk sent me this blow dryer brush set. This is a 5-in-1 set. Let's go ahead and unbox this together, and we're actually going to try it out as well. This comes with 3 versatile brushes and 2 nozzles. 2.4-inch oval brush also comes with a 1.5-inch round brush. Also, you can smooth this out with the paddle brush. And you can concentrate with the nozzle for precise straightening with a diffuser for curly hair as well. I do have naturally curly hair, and today we are actually going to straighten it and give it a little bit of curl and bounce. This also comes with a little cleaning brush. It also comes with clips, and it does come with a storage pouch, which I appreciate to keep all of your accessories together. All you're going to do is snap it in like that, make sure it's locked in place, and then turn it on. It does have the cool shot to lock in. It has high heat, warm heat, and gentle heat, and obviously off. So let's go ahead and give this a try. Really easy to do, and actually the top piece doesn't get too hot, so you can use it to turn the brush. Really pretty. Look how nice those little curls come out. Again, you can straighten this. Right now I'm just kind of trying it out and seeing how it works. And it really did take very little time to do my whole head. I am going to speed this up so you guys can go ahead and watch. But you can see my hair is very curly. That's air dried. And now we're going to kind of straighten it and just give it a little bouncy curls. By no means am I a professional, but this is actually going to give you professional results. No more paying for really pricey blowouts. You can actually do this at your own home, in the comfort of your own home, and it's super easy to do. Thank you again for sending this to me. I'm going to not talk through the rest of the video. You can watch and see the end results. Highly recommend grabbing this after using this for the first time. I really definitely think this is going to be a tool that I use most often. This definitely is an all-in-one tool with all those different attachments. You literally don't need any other tool besides this one. Quality made, and really excited to keep using this. Thanks again for sending.